Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. Sometimes we want to know how much memory an object is consuming in Python. We can use the sys module for this. The sys module has a method that we can use for such a task. We are going to use the same items with the set, tuple, and list, and we'll check which is more memory efficient. So let's first import sys module. So this will be, and then we are going to have a list, set, and tuple with the same items. So this will be, and now we are going to have a set. And we are going to have a tuple. Now we are going to print the memory size of a list first, then size of a set, then size of a tuple. So this will be, so here we are going to use sys get size of method, and we are going to pass in our list. Okay. Then we are going to do same for our set. And we are going to do same for our tuple. So this will be, and now we can run our script. And here is the output. We can see list and tuples are more space efficient than the set. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Awesome Code, like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.